Hi there, I'm Day Oliveira and today we are gonna draw a cute rabbit, a very fluffy one that I created, okay? So let's draw with me today. Let's start doing the sketch. With the light pencil on the paper, we are gonna make a circle. This circle needs to be a little bit flat. It doesn't need to be straight. It's gonna be the head of the rabbit. And time to draw the cheek to construct better the shape. I can use my eraser to clean up. You can make this cheek look bigger or smaller. The body, we are gonna start with the front legs. It looks like a G letter, a little arched line here, and the other leg this way. Now this little curved line to the belly and the back legs right here. First the foot. And let's finish up the shape of this little cute rabbit. The other foot. Now, time to draw the big ears. A rounded shape, going up, now going down. Make this shape. This way. Now the same thing on the other side, changing a little bit, this way. The tail right here. This little cute face of the rabbit now. A little rounded triangle to the nose. This little shape to the smile, little line. The teeth, two curves to the eyes, these cute eyes, touching up everything. I'm gonna make these details on the ears, the last details. And to make it cuter, I'm gonna draw a little carrot down here. Now, time to use our black brush and outline everything with it. When it dries, we can use our eraser to clean the draw up. Now it's time to color everything. You can use your imagination in any color that you want to. And this is how it looked like my drawing finished. I hope you like it. Don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe, come back tomorrow to draw with me again, and bye!